Today we're going to be changing out the mirror caps on the car. We've got black, some black ones, and we're also going to black out the trim at some point, but that'll be a later video. To get started, you basically just have to push the glass all the way over, put your fingers in the back, and it should just pop it out. I'm going to put the camera down, or maybe not. There you go, it's popped out. 2 wires at the back, unclip them, and the whole thing will just come out. Like that. There are then some torque screws to undo, and then this plastic housing comes off, and then this plate, this motor needs to be unclipped, unscrewed and unplugged, and that should also come off. It's a very easy install. There are literally 3 screws holding this bit on. 1, 2, 3, and 1 in the middle of the motor. Unplugs. Then you go inside and you push these tabs up and slide back at the same time, and the whole thing just comes off. Literally that easy. Here's a new black one, and we're going to just do the exact reverse of what we've just done with installing it. With it clipped on, we can now build the mirror back up. I found it easier to push the mirror round into this position to work on it. You have more access to the bolts. And that is one done. Time for the other side. And that is them both installed.